In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the connector tool in Microsoft Visio. Whether you're new to Visio or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through creating connections between shapes to help you build more dynamic diagrams. To begin, open your preferred web browser and perform a quick search for Microsoft Visio. Once you land on the official page, you'll need to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might be logged in automatically. If not, simply enter your email address and password, following the prompts for any additional information required. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Here, hover over to the Apps section, which gives you access to all the integrated tools included in your subscription. Look through the available options, find Visio, and click on it to launch the application. With Visio open, you'll want to select a file to start working on. This could be an existing diagram that you're looking to update, or a blank canvas if you're beginning a new project. Now that you're in the workspace, let's focus on how to use the connector tool. Begin by navigating to the Home tab located at the top of your screen. In the center of this toolbar, under the Tools group, there will be an icon for the connector. Click on this button to activate the tool. Once selected, you can easily create a link between two shapes. Simply click on the first shape and then drag your cursor to the second shape you'd like to connect. For even more precision, pay attention to the small green squares that appear on each shape. These are connection points designed to guide you in making stable connections. Drag the connector to one of these points on the first shape, then stretch it over to a point on the second shape. The connection points ensure that your lines are perfectly aligned, keeping your diagram neat and orderly. Visio's connectors are dynamic, adapting to any movement or resizing of shapes, so you don't need to worry about manually adjusting lines every time you edit your diagram. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully used the connector tool to link shapes in Microsoft Visio, streamlining your processes and making your diagrams visually effective. Practicing these steps will make you more proficient, allowing for more complex illustrations down the line. I hope this tutorial has provided you with the foundational skills to use connectors in Visio confidently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.